Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make
Some tasty momos.
and if you all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's start.
So now in the ingredients we have 260 grams of maida. If you all don't want maida fully, you can take 160 gram maida and then 100 grams of atta, then 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now in this dry ingredients we have half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder and half teaspoon of salt. We have some oil and water. Now we also have some chopped chicken of about 270 grams. The vegetarians, don't worry, you can take even vegetables with paneer and mushroom and anything with the same masala.
We have here some vegetables like cabbage, coriander, carrot, potato, and you all can put other vegetables like your choice. And then we have 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste.
So now first we are going to make the atta. In that first we have to put 2 teaspoon of oil. And then mix it slowly.
Now pour little water and then mix it. Then you all can pour water accordingly to make the dough.
Now till our dough becomes ready, we can cook the chicken. So now first our kadai is hot. Now we have to put 1 teaspoon of oil and one more also. And then first you have to put the ginger garlic paste. Now we have put the 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and just fry it little bit. Okay, now it's fried. And now we are going to put our chicken. When almost the color changes, don't keep mixing it. When almost the color changes like this, you have to take the masala, the mixture, and then put it. Now mix it nicely. Now we have mixed it nicely and the masala is mixed. Now we have to keep the chicken to boil. So now we will pour half glass of water. And then we are just going to mix it and then close it and keep it till it cooks.
Now our dough is ready. We'll just put 2 teaspoon of oil. And mix it.
So now our dough is ready. It should not be too hard, not too soft. So it's almost become like this. And now we are going to keep our dough. We have to tuck it first. Like this. And then we are going to cover and keep it for 10 minutes to rest.
Now it's become 10 minutes. The water has almost gone. Now we'll add our vegetables. Now we'll mix it. The chicken is half cooked. Now we'll mix.
Now it's mixed. Now we are going to pour 1 teaspoon of soya sauce to it and then mix it nicely.
Now it's mixed nicely. We are going to cover it and keep for 5 minutes for it to cook.
Now after 10 minutes our dough is become And now we are going to make small balls out of it. Almost this size. We are going to make and keep till the chicken becomes ready. So now our chicken is ready. Just mix it once nicely. So now we have mixed our chicken. Now we can put off the gas. We have made balls and we have just pressed it. Now in maida we are just going to dip it a little bit. And like puris, you have to make small ones.
Now we have Kisan Szechuan sauce. We have taken 1 teaspoon and we are going to put it.
Catch and mix.
It's very nice.
You have to mix it very nicely.
The smell is too good.
It's going to be awesome tasty.
So get ready to hit the like button and subscribe our channel.
Now I have made the dough almost like this, thin, flat, it's like this. Now we are going to put our masala to this. You can put how much you want. Now we are going to make 2 shapes. Going to make 2 shapes and the first shape is almost like this. You have to take and fold like this. Take little water so that it sticks nicely. Be pressing it like this. Put water everywhere.
A zigzag fold it is. It will be somewhat like this from out when you see.
You have to be on putting water like this so that it will stick nicely. And do the same thing like this. Do the same thing for till the end. Also, now we have I have finished it. Press it nicely and then take it to the middle and then press it and make like this.
So cute.
It's like a dumpling. Okay.
Don't make it too thin. Now we'll add little water in the side so that it sticks nicely. Now we'll add our masala. Now we will fold it like this.
This is the second type. The same way, the zigzag one.
Okay, now it's we have done it fully. Now we'll take both together and press it.
You have to press it nice hardly so that the filling doesn't come out.
And this is our next cute
Type of
little dumpling.
Now we are going to do the steaming. You can do it either on the gas or in the induction. And people who have steamers can do it in the steamer. Or else you have to take a big vessel like this, pour water. And then this you have to put oil nicely so that the momos doesn't stick. Keep this. And now we are going to put our momos.
Slowly, it shouldn't break.
Okay, so we have kept our momos. And now we'll close it like this.
We have kept it for 20 minutes
to steam.
to steam.
And now after 20 minutes our momos are like this and it's ready to eat. It's tasty. The rest you can do like this for 20 minutes.
And we have put Szechuan sauce. It will taste good. And this was our today's video. And if you all enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe our channel.
And do try it at home. Bye bye.
Bye.